swung from the saddle when the thunder rolled over. We stood on the hillside with our backs to the rain. The mare nuzzled in with her head to my shoulder till the storm clouds had passed and the sun shone again. Then me and old Sonny tried to ride through the rainbow in vain. For the nearer we got, it just drifted away in the rain. And I once searched the city in daylight and darkness, from winter to springtime, for the sight of a face, dreaming that each time when I turned a corner, the rest of my life would just fall into place. But footsteps are heartbeats that nobody's counting, and sad tears are raindrops where nothing will grow, and lonely years are wild horses that nobody's mounting will run from your life, leaving nothing to show. Just like me and old Sonny trying to ride through the rainbow in vain. For the nearer we got, it just drifted away in the rain. Swing to the saddle and turn to the mountains and cross the horizon of each passing day. And my dreams will be tall pines and clear flowing fountains. The flight of the curlew will show me the way. Storm clouds will gather and snows will dust over. We'll bow to the wind and rise with the sun. Take the old tracks and the roads of the drover, through the billowing bracken till the long trail is done. And then me and old Sonny, we're gonna ride through the rainbow again. Through the mist on the mountain, the sun